can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in a song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natia YE. I go by Beauty Rebellion. And if you're not new, welcome back, Rebels. Today's video is in collaboration with BeautyForever Hair Company. They sent me over this 24-inch fluffy, loose, curled wig, and it came with these really light, thin fringed bangs. So I wouldn't consider it a curtain bang because you know the curtain bangs kind of come from the side, like middle part side. But this one is more of like a really light, thin, fringed bang. Y'all, I'm not usually a bangs girly. Honestly, I don't really like a lot of hair in my face. So if I am going to do a bang, it kind of has to be like this. Like you still have to be able to see my face. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in this wig and learning all about it, just keep on watching. Okay, guys, so my wig came in this really cute tote style bag. And inside of that bag is a silk bag with my wig inside of it and some extra goodies. Along with my wig, I received 2 nude stocking caps, an edge band with the company's name on it, and some press-on nails. Y'all, I've been in grind mode and have not had a chance to get over to the nail salon yet, so these might come in handy. Don't judge my nails in this video, okay? Well, let's go ahead and get into the details of this wig. This is a glueless, ready-to-wear unit. It comes pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-everything. And as you can see, it did come with a roller in the bang area, but the roller came out. It also did come pre-styled, like I said, so it came with these really, really pretty, soft, loose curls. And the inside construction of the lace is 13 by 4. They also added the tape on the side of the wig in case you don't want to install this wig with glue. You can go ahead and use the tape. And one thing I really love is that the lace on this wig looks super natural, guys. It looks so good. So before trying the wig on, I just went ahead and tightened that elastic band and put the wig on like normal. So guys, this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. First impression, guys, I love the texture of the hair. It feels amazing. What I'm not really a fan of is how long the bangs are, so we are going to trim those a little bit. But other than that, the texture of the hair feels amazing, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wig together. I'm going to trim the bangs. I'm also going to add some layers to the hair. But before we do that, instead of actually installing the wig, I'm going to use the tapes that they added on the side of the wig. So taking some alcohol and a cotton pad and just cleaning off that area where the tape is going to be stuck to, just so that it sticks. It actually sticks. I don't know if you guys know, but if you do have makeup on, it does make it harder for these adhesives and tapes to stick. So if you are using tapes, make sure that you are cleaning that area off first, just for a longer install. So yeah, guys, I went ahead and tacked down the lace with the tapes. And later on in the video, I am going to show you guys how the wig looked after I installed it. I ended up installing it the next morning. So you will see that at the end of the video. But right now, for the purpose of this video showing you guys the easiest way to install it, I'm just showing you guys how to use the tapes. So here you can see me just cutting the bangs a little bit shorter. Guys, I don't know about y'all, but I hate stuff touching my face. Like, I think that's why I'm not really like a huge bangs girly, because I do not like a lot of hair or anything touching my face. I just feel like it tickles, it makes me itch a little bit. But you guys will see later on in the video how these bangs are not super full, so they are like the perfect bang style if you are like me and you don't like a lot of hair in your face. So here you can see me just adding some extra layers in the hair. The hair is already pre-curled, so adding those layers just made the hair fall the way I wanted them to fall. So I am not going to recurl the entire head. I'm just going to take my flat irons and add a few curls into the hair. I do want the hair to still have that loose wave, that wavy curly look. I don't want the curls to be too tight, so I'm not going to add too many curls, just a few. So after recurling some parts of the hair and trimming those bangs a little bit more, this is what the wig looks like so far. I think it looks great. Again, this is a 24-inch wig and I am 5'4", so this wig is pretty long on me. I do want my curls to have a little bit more volume, so I'm going in with my Tresemme volumizing spray and spraying that on my curls and just zhuzhing it up a little bit to give it a little bit more volume. And guys, this is the finished look. I think it looks so good. Another right out of the box wig, glueless wig that you can do at home. But before we finish up this video, guys, I do want to show you guys how this wig would look without installing it if you wanted to do a updo style. So I'm just going to take a handful of hair from both sides and push it up into like a ponytail. I've been seeing so many girlies on TikTok and Instagram wearing their hair like this with the really light fringed bangs and the ponytail. And then maybe you can add like a bow or something to the back. I think it is super cutesy, super cute. Definitely a style that I would rock. Going ahead and adding my ponytail holder onto it so you guys can get the full look of it. And yeah, guys, this look is so cute to me. Like, look at it. Like, it's so cute. It's like a baby doll look. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you prefer it down or if you like the updo style, the half up, half down look. Let me know in the comments what you think. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As you guys seen, it was really easy. Just took it out of the box, already pre-curled, didn't have to do much. All I really did was add a little bit more layers to the hair so that the curls can fall a little bit better to my liking. And I cut the fringed bang a little bit shorter because honestly, I just think it was a little too long for me. But if you have a bigger head, that might be the perfect length. So I do think that it's just optional, whatever you like. I do prefer a shorter bang. I do prefer less hair in my face. So honestly, guys, I feel like this came out perfect. It looks so cute. It is definitely a different look for me. So I'm gonna rock it for a couple days and get some really cute pictures. If you're not already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at BeautyRebellion_. And if you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will go ahead and leave all the details as well as BeautyForever Hair Company's wig website down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Guys, really fast, I just wanted to come back and show you. I actually ended up installing the wig last night, and I put some rollers in there, and I just wanted to show you guys how cute it came out. This is actually the finished look, and y'all, I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with the volume. I think it looks so pretty. It's giving like 90s blowout vibe, so I'm really loving it. I will probably flatten the bangs just a little bit more because like I said, I just took the rollers out, but I'm loving this messy curly look that it's giving. And I just wanted to come back and show you guys that before I get my day started, because I'm like, y'all, it looks a lot better. Like, it looked really cute last night. Like, it looked really cute last night, but I think installing it and making sure it's tacked down, and of course if the wind blows, it looks really good. So yes guys, I just wanted to come back and show you the finished look. The thumbnail will definitely be the look that you seen earlier in the video, but I am about to go out and get some content. So yes. Wait, let me actually put this on a tripod so y'all can really see it. I love the way this turned out. I love it. Y'all, I have on the same sweater that I always wear, but here we go. This is the finished look. So if you're gonna get this wig, I definitely suggest it. Y'all will see lots and lots of pictures in this wig because it is giving me very much Farrah Fawcett, very much is that her real hair. I love it. All right guys, well let me go ahead and get my day started, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.